Here we are at Barnes No.2 level crossing in Greater London with Swagboy 900. It's a weird Yoda alarm there. Time now is 12:16 on Saturday the 20th of May 2023. This will be the 12:12 expected to depart 12:14 I think. To Riviera 21. Is that the code for it? I don't know. South Western Railway service from London Waterloo to Hounslow. There's Barnes Station. It's there. Here comes the train. It's going in the opposite direction actually. I think this one's actually going to Weybridge, not Hounslow. There's Barnes No.1 level crossing. I've already just filmed. I think this might be actually. That's the other train. 45113. 45122. And 5851. 5917 to Hounslow. And I think the other train's going to London Waterloo. Yeah. And up they go.